Alright, in this video I'm creating the Henson Stitch. Just gonna give you an example of it. So I just used some nice polyester thread in the color of the fur, and then this is what I need to close, and I want it to be a nice stitch, so just insert the needle and pick up just a little bit of the thread, and then I go back to where the beginning stitch was, so it creates like a V, and then I repeat that again, go back to where that stitch, the thread came out of, and then you see how it starts to form a V, and it's just right next to the previous stitch, just right next to it. And then a little bit more, and let's just a bit more, and then I'm going to close it up by pulling it tight. I just do a few stitches and then pull it so that it can close. One more, like, yeah, and then pull. And it's a nice stitch. Look at that. It disappears so nicely, and it's a great stitch to use for puppet making. Enjoy puppet making. Bye. See you next time.